Welcome back to Prima.Law, and now we're going to talk about the integrated text messaging feature inside of Prima. Okay, now the actual phone numbers and message sending goes through the back end through a service called Twilio. We have an article on how to sign up for Twilio and get your account set up so you can have the numbers you need to put in the settings here. So right now we're at the administrator panel. Right? You go to the menu, administrator panel, administrator console. Here we are. Under integrations, we're at Twilio. If this wasn't already connected, it would say connect, right? And then there's settings. So once you just need to put in an account SID and an authorization token, it's going to pull up the right information for you here. And then you can define the email you want to use in your firm that it can send a copy of each message to as well, right? That goes here. So what you can do is you can set it up so that when everyone in your firm has access to this particular email, or it can forward that email to certain people. That's a good way of getting a notification of when things are happening. So, either the paralegal at yourlawfirm.com might be a good one, or notifications, or if you have an email set up specifically for that. Connecting it here, once that's done, the way to use it is very fun. Go to the contact page. Under communications, we have a little text messaging icon here. And this is connected to my phone. So let's open this up here. It's fetching the message history, right? We've sent messages before, pictures, etc., stuff about the event. Any message you send from Prima will get recorded. So let's send a message. Hi there. Are you going to the Ayla show? Now, some clients are going to have multiple phone numbers. That's why you can choose which number it's going to go to. We know that can be a fluid topic. Phones and clients, they're always getting a new phone number or losing their phone, or their boyfriend stole it, or they have to change it for safety. Anyways, you can select the right phone number in the system for that contact, for that message to go to. You can also add files or images. Let's add that. And we'll click send. So because I'm on a Mac, I can see right now that text message came in. We'll just share in the window this much of that, right? So I can also respond. Hello, client. Yes. You can send that message and it shows up there. You can send an image that way. They can send an image to you. So let's say I, as the attorney, or I as the client, that's what we'll show here, want to send an image to my attorney. Just got an image of a QR code there. I can send that as well. And because it's going through phone lines and whatnot, it takes a second, but it shows up here. And now from inside Prima, I can say, hey, you know what? This file, I need to transfer it to the files in a case. What case? The most recent I-130 that's open for. Oh no, it's going to be down here, 0424. So that will transfer that image into the files for the case, and it'll save it. All right. So the texting in Prima is really nice because, one, as we went over, you own the Twilio account. So any costs for sending a text message, which is usually like 0.007 cents or 0.07 cents, right? So it's not even a penny. It's a fraction of a penny per message. You can control that. You get to assign the phone number. You have full control. You own that account. You're just connecting it to Prima. And then once inside Prima, all these messages are going to be saved here forever. So your client sends you a bunch of messages and texts. You're just like it's your own little smartphone. Any of your staff who log into the account can see that history, and they can see all those messages and images. This prevents you from having to share a personal number or a cell phone number for the office. That cell phone might get bounced around or lost, or who knows who has it. If you're running a bigger firm, it's hard to do it like that. And this is the right way. You keep all the messages with your case management system. So if there's any dispute or anything that happens, like, you have the information in front of you and you can get the answers you need. So that's how easy it is to use SMS text messaging inside of Prima.Law.